Quail Belgian D'anver Bantam is a breed of small domestic chicken that originated in Belgium, likely in the town of Antwerp. The breed was developed in the 19th century and its exact origins are unclear. The variety of this Belgian D'anver Bantam is known for its attractive plumage with a dark chestnut-colored head and a back that is colored like quail feathers. The breed is highly regarded for its hardiness, adaptability, and ability to thrive in small spaces. The Quail Belgian D'anver Bantam is primarily raised for exhibition purposes, but is also kept as a backyard chicken for its excellent egg-laying capabilities. The Quail Belgian D'anver Bantam cock is a small, attractive breed of chicken with a compact body and short, tightly feathered wings. They have a single comb and a small, elegant head with short, strong beak. The feathers are primarily brown and black with white accents, giving them a quail-like appearance. Their legs are featherless and slate blue in color, and they have 5 toes on each foot. Overall, this rooster is a striking and distinctive bird. Belgian D'anver Bantams are generally known for their docile and friendly nature, making them a good addition to a backyard flock. The roosters are typically easy to raise and care for, and they don't require much space. They are very active birds and love to forage, so providing them with a secure outdoor space to roam is recommended. When it comes to raising them with other animals, they tend to do well with other bantams and docile breeds of chickens. However, they can be easily bullied by larger, more aggressive birds, so it's important to supervise their interactions and provide them with adequate spaces and resources. Belgian D'anver Bantams are small, friendly birds that make good pets. They are known for their compact, sturdy build, short tails, and feathered feet. They typically weigh around 20 to 22 ounces and have striking colors, and are also adaptable to different climates and can thrive in both hot and cold conditions.